Yeah. Let's get Chocolate Melo.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy the Namsco, the favorite YouTuber of your favorite YouTuber. And in today's video we're gonna be reacting to RDCW's video, how cup orientations must be like. RDCW never disappoints, fam. Them man are always funny, fam. So yeah, let's get it. Let's press play. Obviously click the link in the description to help get justice for Shukri. Yeah, it's Shukri. Yeah, Shukri Abdi. Okay.
We understand where you're coming from, so I know. I don't
know why they called the cops. I was just walking.
Yeah,
What's going on? What y'all doing?
We're just talking to him about the situation.
Talking to him about the situation? What?
What do you mean?
You wasting time? Do you not have your mace on you?
Yeah.
You just mace.
Man said you wasted your time talking here. Let's just get it. Let's get to it.
Turn off your body cams right now. Turn off your body cams. This is wrong. Nothing the cops do is wrong. What are you talking? You fired.
Man said nothing a cop does is wrong. That's how they be thinking though. RDC, they're smart.
Get out of here. This is wrong. Get out of here.
Take his phone.
Golly. Where's the phone at? Oh, he ain't got a phone. You better shut up. Now get in the car. 5 feet the boy.
Can I see your license and registration, please, sir?
For what? What did I do wrong?
You were speeding 20 miles
what's
over.
going on? What?
He was speeding 20 miles over speed limit. I need his license and registration.
Pull out your gun. What are you talking about? Oh, wait, he ain't even black.
Oh yeah, ain't even black.
He ain't disrupting the peace.
What do you mean, sir? He was speeding 20 miles over the speed limit.
Yeah, okay. And? License and registration. I don't gotta give y'all shit. I know my rights. He knows his rights. All right, well, you have a good day, sir.
Can I see your license and registration?
Man said, man went like, he ain't even black. Oh shit, we fucked up.
License and registration. The piece.
What do you mean, sir? He was speeding 20 miles over the speed limit.
Yeah, okay. And? License and registration. I don't gotta give y'all shit. I know my rights.
Hold on.
His license and registration.
Pull out your gun. What are you talking
Man said,
about?
put on your gun straight away.
He ain't disrupting the peace.
What do you mean, sir? He was speeding 20 miles over the speed limit.
Yeah, okay. And? License and registration. I don't gotta give y'all shit. I know my rights. He knows his rights. All right, well, you have a good day, sir.
Can I see your license and registration, please, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why is your gun not out?
What? Yes, sir.
You don't need it. This is a traffic stop. Why is your gun not out?
He's being compliant, sir. I don't need
Comply. Oh, you ain't no cop. Get out of here. You fired. Hey, step out the car right now.
Okay.
License and registration and step out the car.
Okay, it's over there. I'm gonna grab it real quick.
Step out the car, license and registration.
I can't do both.
Yes, you can. Get all of them. Step out the car, license and registration. Stop moving.
Listen, in both cases you're gonna die. But how can? But this is a reality, fam. How can a cop tell you, put a gun at you, and be like, license and registration, and at the same time it's telling you get out? You have to do one, then the other. You can't do both at the same time. So that means you're trying to shoot somebody for no reason.
I'm scared of my life.
Man said I'm scared of my mind.
All of them. Step out the car, license and registration. Stop moving. Look, I'm scared of my life.
Man said stop moving, I'm scared for my life. You're the reason why it's moving, fam. What are you talking about? But this is a reality, fam.
Now, do I look scared for my life to you? No. Now this black man is dead. He has a family, he has a mother, he has a father just like you. There's no reason for this. We're all humans. So please, stop killing us.
My poor little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream.
This is all mad. This is all mad. But it's a reality though. It is a reality. It is not but the reality. The reality of our people. Of what the police does to us. Obviously I live in the UK, but in America That shit must be crazy, bro. Cause them police officers here, I don't know, man. Sometimes it feels like they just leave their yard thinking, oh, so who am I gonna shoot today? Oh, he looks like somebody I'm gonna shoot today. Pa pa pa. Like, this ain't it, chief. No cap. You be taking out family members, maybe helpful people in the community. So fix up the police. You gotta fix up. The system has to fix up and be fair to us. Do you know what I mean? We're not asking for people to love us. No. We're asking for people to respect us. That's the only thing we're asking for. Respect us. Alright? So without too much talking, I'm tired as hell. It's 4 a.m. Without too much talking, like, subscribe, and share. And I'm out.
I'm from the Brooklyn XAJ. Man, mistake with a pen like JK. True say